That's Elmo over there.
It's Elmo. You see him?
Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Come and play, everything's A-okay. Friendly neighbors there, that's where.
Elmo gonna what?
No, it's my girlfriend.
Girl.
It's my girlfriend.
I see.
Alright.
It's okay, Elmo.
Elmo, feel bad.
Elmo.
Elmo wants a hug. Nope. Nope.
I got a girlfriend.
Elmo's gonna get a hug later on, huh? Oh.
Come on, mommy. Come on. Give Elmo a hug. He wants a hug. Give Elmo a hug. There you go. I'll stay here forever.
I'm so surprised. I'm so surprised.